State Farm discount for security system. State Farm offers homeowners insurance discounts for installing qualifying security systems in your home. These discounts can help lower your premiums by reducing the risk of theft, fire, and other covered incidents. Here's what you need to know about how State Farm applies these savings. 1. How much can you save? The exact discount varies based on your location and the type of security system you install. Typically, homeowners can expect to save 5% to 15% on their insurance premiums when they have a qualifying system. 2. What security systems qualify? State Farm provides discounts for professionally monitored security systems, which can include burglar alarms, monitored alarms that detect unauthorized entry, fire and smoke detectors, systems that automatically alert authorities, smart home security, systems like ADT Ring and SimpliSafe that provide 24/7 monitoring, water and gas leak detection, systems that alert homeowners to leaks and potential hazards. 3. Do DIY security systems qualify? Some self-installed systems like SimpliSafe or Ring Alarm may qualify if they include 24/7 professional monitoring. However, standalone devices without monitoring typically do not receive a discount. 4. How to apply for the discount. Step 1. Install a qualifying security system in your home. Step 2. Obtain a certificate or proof of installation from your security provider. Step 3. Contact your State Farm agent and submit the documentation. Step 4. Verify the discount has been applied to your policy. 5. Can you combine this with other discounts? Yes, State Farm allows you to stack security system savings with other discounts, such as multi-policy discount, bundling home and auto insurance, claims-free discount for policyholders with no recent claims, impact-resistant roof discount for homes with upgraded roofing materials. 6. Best security systems for State Farm discounts. Popular home security providers that often qualify include ADT, Monitored Security and Fire Protection, Vivint, Smart Home Security Integration, SimpliSafe, Monitored Home Protection, Ring Alarm, with professional monitoring. 7. Is the discount worth it? If you already have a security system or are considering installing one, the insurance savings can help offset the monthly monitoring cost. Plus, added protection for your home makes it a smart investment. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.